Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Explained. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jack. It's great to have you all with us again.
Today, we've got an interesting topic for our beginner English learners. We're talking about jobs. You'll learn how to describe what you do, talk about your daily work, and even share your career goals for the future.
Exactly. Talking about your job is one of the most common English conversations, and it's a great way to practice real life English.
Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to English Explained, like this video, and share it with your friends. Your support really helps our channel grow.
Yes, thank you so much. Now, are you ready to talk about work?
Let's do it. Okay, Jack, imagine someone asks, "What do you do?" How would you answer?
Good question, Emma. The easiest way is to say your job title. For example, I'm a teacher. Simple and clear.
Exactly. Or you can say, "I work as a designer."
Right? So, Emma, what's your job title?
I'm a presenter here on English Explained, and I also create content for our channel.
That sounds fun. And if people ask about your company, you can say, I work for a software company, or I'm self-employed.
Yes, I'm self-employed sometimes too. It means I'm my own boss.
Nice! Now, what about daily responsibilities?
You can say, "I manage social media," or "I help customers every day."
Exactly. For example, I can say, I prepare lessons and teach English online.
Perfect. You can also use phrases like, "I'm responsible for example, "I'm responsible for creating lesson plans."
Or, my main task is to make learning English fun.
You're great at that, Jack.
Thanks, Emma. Another useful phrase is a typical day at work looks like. It helps describe your daily routine.
Right. A typical day at work looks like teaching classes, meeting students, and editing videos.
Exactly. So simple and natural.
Let's move on to your daily routine at work.
Yes, you can start by saying what time you begin and finish. I start work at 9 and finish at 5.
And then talk about your main tasks. Every morning, I check my emails, attend meetings, and plan lessons.
You can also include breaks or coworker time. I usually have lunch with my colleagues, or I take a short coffee break in the afternoon.
That helps listeners imagine your day clearly.
Here's a full example. Every morning I check my emails and attend a short meeting. Then I work on my main tasks until lunch. In the afternoon, I have more meetings and finish around 5.
Perfect example. My day's a little different. I plan my videos in the morning and record them in the afternoon.
Now let's talk about where you work.
Yes? Do you work from home, in an office, or outside?
Many people now say, I work remotely or I have a hybrid job, part at home, part in the office.
Or I work outdoors, like construction workers or tour guides.
And what's the atmosphere like, formal or informal?
A formal workplace usually means suits and rules. Informal is more relaxed, jeans and friendly vibes.
Mine's definitely informal. I work from home most days.
Me too. Let's add some vocabulary. Boss, your manager, colleague, someone you work with, client, a customer, and deadline, when your task must be finished.
Good words to know.
So, Jack, do you like your job?
I love it. Teaching English and meeting students from around the world is amazing.
That's great. You can say, "I like my job because it's creative," or "I love my job because it's challenging."
And sometimes it's okay to mention what you don't like. For example, I enjoy teaching, but grading takes a lot of time.
Same here. I love creating videos, but editing can be tiring.
That's normal. Every job has pros and cons.
Now, let's talk about past jobs.
Sure, I can say, I used to work in a small school, but now I teach online.
Or, before this, I was a student and worked part-time at a cafe.
You can also talk about what you learned. I learned how to manage a team, or I developed good communication skills.
Yes, that shows your growth and career path.
Let's move to the future. Where do you see yourself in a few years, Emma?
I'd love to run my own English podcast full-time.
That's a fantastic goal. You can also say, I want to improve my presentation skills, or I want to learn more about business English.
And what about you, Jack?
My dream job is to travel the world teaching English and helping students everywhere.
That sounds amazing. Now, how can you ask others about their work?
Start simple. What do you do?
Then follow up. Do you like your job? Or How long have you worked there?
And to make the chat more fun, ask, what's the most interesting part of your job? Or what's a typical day like for you?
Perfect. Those questions help keep the conversation friendly and natural.
Wow, we covered a lot today.
Yes. From describing your job to talking about your goals and asking others about theirs.
Remember, practice makes perfect. Try describing your own job in English today.
And before you go, please like, share, and subscribe to English Explained.
Leave a comment below. Tell us what you like most about your job or your dream job.
We love reading your comments. Thanks for watching.
See you in the next episode.
Bye-bye.